Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to duplicate, resize and rearrange artboards in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So the topics we are going to cover today are how to duplicate an artboard. It can save you so much time while designing. Now we are going to duplicate this artboard. Next up, we will see how to duplicate artboard with its content. This helps in creating different sizes. So creating this design and then duplicating artboard can save tons of time later on when we know how to resize our artboards. And once we know that, we can utilize that in our designs and build different artboards of various sizes and dimensions. Lastly, we will recap everything with shortcuts so you can build designs effectively and fast. So let's start by removing all of the artboards and keep only the first two. So I'm selecting the artboard from toolbar panel on the left side. You can either select it from there and double click. This artboard options screen will open in front of you, which we will cover in depth in our later videos. But for the time being, know that there are tons of options in artboard that are going to be covered later on. Now on the top control panel, you can see there are two options, new artboard or delete artboard, which can create or delete your new artboards. Or you can select the same artboard options and it will take you to the same artboard options window panel again. But let's not do that. Instead, hold down Option key or Alt key in terms of whichever system you are using and drag your new artboard on the right side. Now let's see if we can do it along with the content and try to duplicate that artboard on the right side and see whether it's going to change anything for us or not. So I'm selecting artboard again. You can either select it from the tools panel or the shortcuts that we will discuss later in the video, so keep on watching. Now select this, drag and drop it on the right side. And you can either resize this artboard. It's not going to affect your design element, which is a great thing, but we will cover resize artboards very shortly. Now select this and resize your artboard either by dragging it from any corner or giving a specific width and height in the control panel at the very top. I'm rearranging the design element that I currently have on the screen. You can start by typing any text, format out, and see how you can design your elements in a different way on different dimensions on the artboard. It's going to give you a lot more functionality instead of just working on one artboard and exporting that for all different kinds of dimensions or manually changing the dimension for that one artboard. So that's how you can duplicate, rearrange or resize your artboards. Now we are going to see some shortcuts to recap everything. So letter V for exiting any selection mode is going to be very helpful. Then Shift plus letter key O for getting into artboard mode, and then Alt or Option key for duplicating any content. I hope you guys liked this video. If you do give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and push the notification bell icon. See you next time.